Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel KGBV SS Chittoor Andhra Pradesh Samagra Shiksha online classes. Respected teachers, my dear students, I am Pooja, Mathematics CRT working in KGBV Ropicharla, Chittoor district. Before we are going to learn, I said one thing to you students, when you are going to outside of your home, must and should you have to maintain mask. Use sanitizer, frequently sanitize your hand, maintain social distance, stay safe, stay happy. Today our topic is ninth class mathematics statistics. Dear children, the definition of the statistics is statistics is defined as collection, presentation, analysis and interpretation of the numerical data. The word statistics comes from the Italian word statista, that means statement. Then the German word statistic, that means a political state. The father of the statistics is Sir Ronald Elmer Fisher. The Indian father of statistics is Prashant Chandra Mahalanobis.
Ascending order of price. Look here, 30 lakhs, 32 lakhs, 38 lakhs, 40 lakhs, 87 lakhs, 90 lakhs and 95 lakhs. So the lowest price was 30 lakhs and the highest price was 95. There were 7 choices. Look at the list carefully. If we see, the house costing 40 lakhs is exactly in the middle. So, it divides the list in 2 parts. So, we can say in the list there is a house costing 40 lakhs and houses costing less than 40 lakhs and houses costlier than 40 lakhs. As 40 is the exactly middle number of the ordered list, we can call it as median value. So the median value divides the list in 2 equal parts. As the list was arranged in the ascending order, the left side values were less than 40 and the right side values were more than 40. As he had saved rupees 45 lakhs, he could buy any of the houses costing 40 lakhs or less than that because they were well within his planned budget. Now, how to choose the median value? 7 values. And here the median is the 4th value. We chose median using a simple formula. When the number of values is odd, and if n represents the number of values, then term n plus 1 divided by 2 is the median value. So here 7 plus 1 divided by 2, which is equal to 8 by 2, which is equal to 4. So the 4th value is the median value and the 4th value is 40. So 40 lakh house was the median here. And finally, he chose the 40 lakh house, which was the median of the ordered list. So now you know what is the median value. It is simply the middle value of the ordered list of values, like the house worth 40 lakhs here. You may wonder, what if the number of values is even? Let us understand this with an example. As we know, the median is used to divide the list in 2 equal parts. Like, you are told to divide the students into 2 groups based on their math score. Here, 14 students are there, and the marks are 11, 12, 13, 15, 15, 16, 17, 18, 18 and 19. Here we have arranged the students in the ascending order of math score. Look at the scores. which is the median value? Here, the number of values is even, that is 14. Which is the middle term now? Is it the 7th term or the 8th term? Still we can't decide which is the median. The 7th one, which is the last value of the first part, and it is 13, or the 8th term, which is the first value of the second part, and it is equal to 15. How do we decide? We need to take a middle way. So, we add these two middle values and divide them by 2. So, the two middle values are 13 and 15. Let's divide them by 2. So, we get 28 divided by 2, which is equal to 14. Now, we can easily say there are students who scored less than 14 and the students who scored more than 14. So 14 is the mark that divides the list into two parts. In one part, all the values are less than 14, and in the other part, all the values are greater than 14. So here 14 is the median value. So how did we find that the median is 14? Let's understand the formula. Say n is the number of values, which is an even number. Then we add the term number n by 2 and the next term, which is n by 2 plus 1. And then we divide the sum by 2 to reach a median value. See, we add the values of the term number n by 2, which is 14 by 2, and is equal to the 7th term. And the 7th term has the value equal to 13. And n by 2 plus 1 would be the next term, which is equal to 14 by 2, that is 7 plus 1, that is the 8th term. And its value is equal to 15. So 13 plus 15 and divide the sum by 2 to reach the median value. 13 plus 15 is equal to 28. Divide by 2, we get 14. So 14 is the median value here. Now you may wonder, does the median? Let us take some examples and figure this out. For example, a class teacher gathered the data of heights of the students in a class. The heights are 112 centimeter, 112, then 124, then 126, then 130, followed by 135, 135, 135, and 165 centimeter. Here, what would be the median? Here, the middle value is 130 centimeter. But the middle value doesn't represent the height of the students properly, as many students are much taller than it and few students are much shorter. So it is not necessary that the middle value would represent the data properly. Another example. An elevator can carry up to 600 kgs. 7 people were using it. If we find the median of their weight, we cannot tell whether their total weight would exceed 600 kg or not. Finding median doesn't serve any purpose here. In this case, the arithmetic mean would represent this data in a better way. If someone says their mean weight is 81 kgs, then we can get the good idea of the data. And we represent the data by mean. Say the mean of the weight of the 7 people is 81, then the total weight would be 81 multiplied by the number of values, which is 7 here. So 7 multiplied by 81 is equal to 567 kgs, which is much less than the weight limit of 600 kgs. And we can easily tell the total weight hasn't exceeded. So remember children, what is median? When the data values are arranged in either ascending or descending order, the central value is the median. And how do we calculate it? If the number of data values is odd, median is exactly the middle value. The formula to find which value would be median is n plus 1 divided by 2, where n refers to the number of data values. So it is term n plus 1 divided by 2, the median. For example, if the number of data values is 9, then the median would be 9 plus 1 divided by 2, which is equal to 10 by 2, and thus the fifth value in the data is the median. And if the number of data values is even, we take the mean of the two middle values as the median, which is term number n by 2 and its next value, which is n by 2 plus 1. This whole thing divided by 2. Here n is the number of data values. Say there are 10 values, so n is equal to 10. The two middle values are the value number 10 by 2, which is the fifth data value, and its next value, which is the sixth data value. We find its mean, that is, add them and divide by 2 to find the median value. So thus, median here would be the fifth term value plus the sixth term value divided by 2. Thus, median is used to show the central tendency of data when the data values have extreme values. That's all for now.
Dear students, in your previous class, you already learned that introduction of statistics and types of measures of central tendency. First one, mean. In this class, we discussed about median and mode. Dear children, what is the mean? Mean is sum of observations by number of observations, that is sigma xi by n or sigma fi xi by sigma fi. That is the formula of mean, children. Now we learn the median. What is median, children? The median, the middle observation of data when arranged in order, ascending or descending order, children. Number of observations n is odd, median is n plus 1 by 2th observations. Number of observations n is even, median is average of n by 2 2th observation and n by 2 plus 1th observation. That is the median, children. Next, mode. An observation with the maximum frequency is called mode. Which data is repeated more time, that is called mode. Dear children, do you understand? Now we solve the one example of median. Dear children, I conduct a exam for 5 students. Marks are given. Marks are here 35, 17, 42, 29 and 40. These are the marks of 5 students, children. Now we find the median of the given data. First we have to find, we are arranged in the ascending or descending order of the data. Ascending order. Which is the least number in this data, children? That is 17. Next 29. Then 35. Next 40. Next 42. This is the ascending order of the given data, children. Now we can find the median of this data. How we can find median? Simply said, 17, cancel the both sides, 17, 42, 29, 40. What is the middle value, children? 35. 35 is the median of the given data. It is just simply said, we have to, middle most value is called the median. Now we can find the median using the formula, children. That is, n is odd, we have to use n plus 1 by 2th observation. If n is even, the median is average of n by 2th and n by 2 plus 1th observation, children. Now we can find median using the formula. First, we have to find how many observations here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is 5 observation here. 5 is the odd number, children. So, number of observations is odd. So, we have to use this formula, n plus 1 by 2th observation. So, number of observations. Number of observations, n is odd. Therefore, median is n plus 1 by 2th observation. Dear children, n is odd, that is 5. So, we have to use 5 in n place. 5 plus 1 by 2. What is the answer, children? 5 plus 1, 6 by 2. We will cancel 3. That is 3. Third observation. Third observation is the median of the given data. What is the third observation in this data, children? 1, 2, 3. This is the third observation. So, 35 is the median of data. So, we can write down median equals to 35. Dear children, if we have to using the formula, median is 35 and you have to calculate the simply form cancellation both sides. Middle one is the 35. That is also a median of the data. Do you understand, children, how we can find the median of the given data? Again we said the middlemost value is called a median of the data. Dear children, next we solve the try this problem, page number 207. First one, find the median of the scores 75, 21, 56, 36, 81, 5 and 42. These are the scores. Now we find the median of that scores. Dear children, this is our given data. First we have to find median. We arranged the data in ascending order, children. Ascending order. What is the least number in this data, children? That is 5. Next, least number is 21. Next, 36. Next, 42. Then 56, 75 and 81. This is the ascending order of the given data, children. We have to find the median. We cancellation both sides equally. 5, 81, 21, 75, 36, 56. So, middlemost value is the median of the given data, that is 42. We can write down median equals to 42. It is the simplest form. Then we have to use the formula. Number of observations, n is odd. We have to use the formula n plus 1 by 2th observation. Number of observations, n is even. We have to use the formula average of n by 2th and n by 2 plus 1th observations. That is the median of the given data. Dear children, what is the number of observations here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That is odd. So, we have to use the formula n plus 1 by 2th observation. Now, we can write down number of observations. N is odd. That is 7. Dear children, now we can use the formula, that is n plus 1 by 2th observation. N means 7. 7 plus 1 by 2. That is cancelled 8 by 2. We will get 4th. 4th observation is the median. What is 4th observation here, children? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4th observation is 42. So, 42 is the median of the given data. Do you understand, children? How we can find the median? Next, second questioning, try this. Children, median of data arranged in ascending order 7, 10, 15, x, y, 27, 30 is 17, and when one more observation 50 is added to the data, the median has becomes 18. Find x and y. Dear children, this is our data. This data is also represented in ascending order. Now we can find the median of the given data. So, how many observations here, children? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 observations here. So, 7 is a odd number. Now we can write down number of observations is odd. That is 7. Median is n by 2 plus 1th observation. N means 7, children. 7 plus 1 by 2. That is 8 by 2. We will cancel 4. Fourth observation. Fourth observation, what is here, children? 1, 2, 3, 4. X is the fourth observation. So, median equals to x. Dear children, according to the problem, median of the given data is 17. So, x equal to 17. According to the problem, x equal to 17. So, median equals to 17 of the given data. Next, we add one more observation, 50 is added to the data. Then median becomes to 18. So, we can write down one more observation, 50 is added to the data. Median becomes 18. So, we add 50 to the given data. How many observations here? 8 observations. So, we can write down number of observations n is even, that is 8. Median is average of n by 2 and n by 2 plus 1 observations. What is n value here? 8. 8 by 2 and 8 by 2 plus 1. We will cancel 4 times. So, 4 and 5th observations. Is median of the given data. What is the 4 and 5th observations here, children? X and y. So, x plus y by 2. Average of 4th and 5th observations is x plus y by 2. Dear children, already x value we have to find, that is 17. We substitute here 17 plus y by 2 equals to, already median is given, that is 18. So, 17 plus y equals to 2 becomes equal to 18 into 2. That is 17 plus y equal to 18 2s are 36. Y equal to 36. 17 transpose to equal, that becomes minus value, children. So, y equals to 19. So, we find the values of x and y. X equal to 17. Then y equals to 19. Do you understand, children, how we can find the median? If number of observations is even, the median is n by 2 and n by 2 plus 1th observation is the median. If number of observation is odd, n plus 1 by 2 observation is the median of the given data. Do you understand? Next one is try these problems, children. Page number 208. First one, find the median marks in the data. Marks 15, 20, 10, 25, 5. Number of students 10, 8, 6, 4, 1. Dear children, now we can find the median of the given data. Dear children, in this data, marks is not in ascending or descending order. First we arranged the marks in ascending order. That is, first 5 marks, then 10, 15, 20, 25. These are the ascending order of the given marks. This is the frequency of the data. 5 marks, how many students got? Only one student. 10 marks, 6 members. 15 marks, 10 members. 20 marks, 8 members. 25 marks, 4 members. Now we can find the median of the given data. Dear children, in this data we can find the median. First we have to find cumulative frequency. How we can find the cumulative frequency, children? Add the observations respectively. First 1 plus 6, 7, 7 plus 10, 17, 17 plus 8, 25, 25 plus 4, 29. So this is the cumulative frequency of the given frequency. So this is n, children, n value, n equals to 29. This is odd number. So number of observations n is 29. Write down number of observations n is odd, that is 29. So median is n plus 1 by 2th observation. (29 plus 1 by 2), that is 30 by 2. We will cancel 15 times. So 15th observation. 15th observation is median. That is, what is the 15 in cumulative frequency, children? Here 15 is here, so 15 is the median of the given data. So median is 15. Do you understand, children?
Good morning, brother. I have pure white shirts of all sizes. What can I show you today?
Good morning. Please give me sparkling white shirt of my size.
Yes, I sell only pure white shirts, not yellow colored like others. I think small size is right for you.
Yes, I'll take it.
Thank you, brother. Do visit again.
Yes, I will.
I need one XL size white shirt. Here it is, sir. Please give me medium size shirt. Thank you.
Give me size large.
Large size fits you so well.
Do you have a right size for me?
Yes, I have. It is XXL size. Friend, please give me the order for next month. What all shirts do you need to order? How many should I order? 130 by 5. Yes, 26. Please give me 26 of all sizes. Sure, my friend. Your order will be delivered shortly. Sorry, my stock for that size is over. I will never come here again. What do I do now? No one is buying these sizes. Okay, please give me 40 large size, 30 medium size, 20 XL, 10 small and 3 XXL size shirts. Sure, my friend, your order will be delivered shortly. I am so glad that I gave the right sizes in the order.
Next our topic is mode. What is mode? Most frequently observation. So which data is repeated more time, that is called mode. Mode of the data. Dear children, page number 208. Example 9. The following numbers are the sizes of shoes sold by a shop in particular day. Find the mode. The data is 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 6, 7, 10, 7, 6, 7, 9, 7, 6. These are the shoe sizes. Dear children, first we have to write down the data in ascending order. First, the least number is 6. How many times 6 is repeated, children? 1, 2, 3, 4. 6 is repeated 4 times. Next, 7. 7 how many times is repeated? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, 7 is 4 times. Next, 8. 8 how many times is repeated, children? Only 1 time. Next, 9. 1, 2 times. Next, 10. How many times 10 is repeated? 1, 2, only 2 times. So, this is the ascending order of the given data. So, we can arrange it in table, children. First one, size. Next, number of shoes sold. Sold. Size 6. How many times 6 is repeated? 4 times. 7, 5 times. 8, only 1 time. 9, 2 times. 10, 2 times. Which frequency is repeated more time, children? 7. 7 has 5 times. So, the mode of the given data is 7. Mode is 7. Do you understand, children, how we can find the mode of the given data? Dear students, now we can solve the exercise 9.2 problems. 6th question, students. The heights of boys and girls of 9th class of a school are given below. Heights in centimeters 135, 140, 147, 152, 155, 160. These are the heights of boys and girls. Boys 2, 5, 12, 10, 7, 1 and girls 1, 2, 10, 5, 6, 5. That means 135 height centimeters boys is 2 and girls 1. 140 centimeters boys 5, girls 2 members. In this order some data is given here. Now we can find the median of the boys and girls height, children. Now we can find median. Dear children, this is the height, number of boys, number of girls. Dear children, now we can find the median. We can write down the CF value. CF means cumulative frequency of the given data. How we can find cumulative frequency, children? We add the frequencies respectively. Now we can write down 2, 2 plus 5, 7, 7 plus 12, 19, 19 plus 10, 29, 29 plus 7, 36, 36 plus 1, 37. Dear children, next frequency of the cumulative frequency of the girls 1, 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 10, 13, 13 plus 5, 18, 18 plus 6, 24, 24 plus 5, 29. This is the cumulative frequency of the girls, children. First we have to find the median of the boys, that is n equals to 37. We can use the formula, children. What is the formula? Number of observations is 37. 37 is the odd number, so we can write down number of observations n is odd, that is 37. So median is n plus 1 by 2th observation. That is 37 plus 1 by 2. That is 38 by 2. We will cancel with 2, children. 2 1 is 2 9s are. That is 19. So 19th observation. 19 is the median of the boys. Where the 19 in cumulative frequency, children? It is the 19 observation. So 147 is the median of the boys. We can write down median of boys equal to 147. Median of the height of the boys is 147 centimeters. Now we can find the median height of the girls, children. What is the n value in girls? N equals to 29. It is also a odd number, children. Now we can find the median number of observations. Observations n is odd, that is 29. Median n plus 1 by 2th observation. (29 plus 1 by 2). 29 plus 1, 30 by 2. We will cancel, we will get 15th observation. In cumulative frequency of girls, which is 15 included, that is 18. So it is the median of girls. 152 is the median height of the girls. 152 centimeters is median height of girls. Dear children, the difference between median of boys height and girls height is more than the girls height is more than the boys height, median, children. Do you understand how we can find the median? It is the very easiest and important concept in 9th class statistics chapter. Do you understand, children? Next, 7th question, children. Centuries scored and number of cricketers in the world are given below. Number of centuries, number of cricketers given here. Find the mean, median and mode of the given data, children. Now we can find the date. Now we can find median, mean and mode of the given data, children. It is the given data. Dear children, first we have to find mean. What is the mean formula, children? Mean x bar equals to sigma fi xi by sigma fi. This is the formula of mean, children. We can find the fi and xi value. Fi into xi. We can multiply the xi value and fi value, children. This is xi and this is fi. We can multiply both. 5 into 56, children, 280. 10 into 23, 230. 15 into 39, 585. 20 into 13, 260. 25 into 8, 200. Dear children, sum of sigma fi xi. Write down here, sigma fi xi equals to 1555. This is the sigma fi xi value, children. And also we can find sigma fi. Fi means sum of the fi values. Sigma fi equals to 139. So we can find the values sigma fi xi by sigma fi. We can substitute the values in formula, children. So 1555 by 139. You can division 1555 by 139. We will get 11.18 approximate value, children. This is the mean of the given data. Now we can find the median. Dear children, how we can find median? First we have to find the CF values. We add frequencies respectively. Now we can write down 56. 56 plus 23, 79. 79 plus 39, 118. 118 plus 13, 131. 131 plus 8, 139. This is the n value, children, 139. Number of observations is 139. It is an odd number, children. Now we can find the formula is n plus 1 by 2th observation. That is 139 plus 1 by 2. That equals to 140 by 2. We will cancel 70 times. So 70 is the median. That is 70. Where in CF, children? 79. So 10 is the median of the observation. Median of data. Then mode, children. How we can find mode? Which data is repeated more time? That is called mode. Simply said, which is repeated more time in this table, children? That is 56. So 5 centuries in 56 cricketers got. So 56 5 is the mode of the data. So 5 repeated 56 times. That's why we call mode is 5. Do you understand, children? How we can find the mean, median and mode of the given data? Dear children, in this class we discussed about median and mode. What is median? The middlemost value is called a median. How we can find the median? First, number of observation is odd. N plus 1 by 2th observation is the median. Number of observation is even. The average of n by 2th and n by 2 plus 1th observation is the median of the given data. Then mode. Which data is repeated more time? That is called mode of the given data. Dear children, this is your worksheet. You can solve the problems. First one, find the median of the data. So you can find the median of given data. Second one, find the mode of the data. This is your given data, children. You can set the mode in the given data. So this is third question. find the mean, median and mode of the given data. Do you understand this, children? Dear children, you subscribe our YouTube channel KGBV SS Chittoor Andhra Pradesh. You can watch the every video in this channel. It is very useful to you. Do subscribe this channel. Thank you.